Welcome everybody. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a brand new vacuum. My employees are very rough on our old vacuum and they've killed it. So our new one is a Shark and it comes with a steam mop. I'm going to take that out and use it right away, see how it works. Here's the old one. Poor girl. She's had a rough time of it. Eureka. They both claim that they're better than Dyson. This thing, it basically got destroyed in, I think, 9 months. I had to hotwire the power switch, just bypass it entirely. The belt broke, couldn't find a replacement belt. It sucks. Now this one, right here, it says more suction than Dyson. And it even has the same STM F558 that Dyson puts on their box. But this one is measured at the hose, whereas Dyson, I don't remember the exact word, but it basically is talking about being measured down here at the brushes. So, the box looks pretty sturdy. And it was on sale over at Sam's, just $200. Well, that looks pretty nice. Got a little light on a removable wand. So, anyways, here we go. We'll start right here at the top. We'll just open it up. Looks like you got some, all of our different heads and attachments. Nice wand. I may have to go a little wide here. Alright, another attachment just fell out of there. And the instructions, of course. Then back. A flexible, very heavy feeling hose. Alright, we'll get through this. Alright. Looks like it comes in a million pieces. I did not open up the Eureka, so I do not know how it originally arrived. It does look good though. Shark Professional. And we'll just get rid of this trash here. Oh, look at that. That is clean, shiny, very pretty. Now let's continue unpacking this corrugated cardboard crap. All right, there we go. Put her right up here. All right, off the bat, I see that this is going to be a bit of a hassle. I've had to replace a lot of these on old vacuums because they just get kinks or they get shorts. Whereas this one, very nice. It all went right back in. You just hit a button. Very handy. I think all vacuums should have that feature. All right, we're going to keep pulling stuff out here. There's another attachment. And another attachment. This must be the one that has the lights. No, it's not the one with the lights on it. I don't know what this attachment is yet. It has instructions on it. I'll have to show you the instructions. This is very lightweight though. Doesn't look like it has any moving parts. This is the one with the lights on it. That's in the photograph. Alright, one more box, which apparently is made in China. Oh, this is a steam mop. Alright. Completely forgot that was included. I'm actually going to pull that out and use it here in just a little bit while one of my employees uses a new vacuum. Today is March 18th on 2017. We're going to see how long it takes before this particular one is killed over. It says it has a 5-year warranty. We will see. Alright, now I have removed all of the packaging. We're going to put it together. I have not opened the instructions. I might should, but we'll see. This, of course, is the base. We're going to stick it down there. Canister, all in one, very handy. You can always remove it, go on stairs if you want to. I don't really think I'll be doing that.
but it is properly designed so it slides right down on top of it. A little groove there. No, there we go. All right, looks good. Now, next piece, I'm guessing probably goes right down there. Let's use this. I'm gonna put the logo front facing. All right, snap right into place. Let's see what goes next. Probably the hose. Maybe not the hose. Huh. Should we look at the photo? Photo. It does look like this goes right up there on the top. Alright. All of these stickers just say remove before use. Which is safe to say you probably have to because there's switches under it. Alright, so once you have this wand stuck in there, hose bends down, has a nice little catch here, perfectly designed. And then it comes down and it snaps in right there. It has some little metal leads there, goes into those metal leads, provides power. Oh, well now, alright. It fit in really securely the first time. I guess whenever I hit that button. So, there she is. Now let's try her out. Alright, not all that loud. I just sprinkled some crumbs out to see how it sucked everything up. I do like quiet. Quiet's nice. Swivel and turn pretty easy, lightweight. Alright, let me look right here. Alright, so it is bagless. Everything just goes in there. I haven't been able to track it around, but all in all, it seems like it'd be a pretty good vacuum.